Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the card so funds appear in your Microsoft balance. Sign into the exact account you use for purchases on your console or at account. Microsoft.com. Scratch or reveal the 25-character code and enter it carefully. Mistakes cost time. Once done, confirm the balance shows under Payment and Billing. If you prefer the console, open Store, redeem a code, and type it with hyphens if prompted. Make sure the region of the card matches your account region. Now choose the game you want and verify the final price including tax. You need to make your Microsoft balance the primary payment method for purchases that use gift funds. Go to Payment and Billing payment options and prioritize Microsoft balance. If your balance is short, add a backup card or PayPal to cover the remainder. The system will draw from balance first. Once set, confirm whether the game is a pre-order, edition, or part of a bundle, because that changes the total cost. Finish by selecting Buy and confirming the charge uses your Microsoft balance. You should receive an email or see the order in order history. Once purchased, start the download on your console or queue it from the Xbox app and make sure you have adequate storage. If the transaction fails, first verify the card region matches your account, then recheck your balance and payment priority. Finally, visit Xbox Live Service status. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with your receipt and code details.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.